Good morning, everybody. First full day in St. Lucia. The knee is on the bend, significantly better than yesterday, so positive things are happening. Today we are going to go get breakfast, and then we're having a tour of the resort by some of the workers. They do like an orientation tour, so I think we're going to go do that. Here's what it's looking like so far today. Let's go get some breakfast and start our second day in paradise. All right, this is where we're gonna be eating breakfast. This is the buffet. You know I love a good buffet. Great, thank you so much. I shall call you, are you a girl or a boy? You're a girl. I think I shall call you Cleopatra. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Could I please get the Caribbean smile? Would that be your smile? Thank you. It is vodka, blue curacao, pineapple juice, lime juice, and Sprite. Alright, we are back from our resort tour. So glad we did that because we got to meet some really cool people, made some new friends, and got to learn some of the cool spots to go to. It kind of helped me get my bearings as to where everything is. I learned some tips and tricks, so it's definitely worth it. It was like an hour long, and you get some special perks with it. Like we got to have a free rum tasting, we got to try banana ketchup, which was actually freaking amazing. But now we're just back at our room getting some fresh air, or AC, because it is really hot, and then we're going to reapply our sunscreen, and then we are going to the beach to swim in the ocean, and then we're going to get some lunch. So let's go play mermaids. That ocean?
Fantastic.
Hey yo, who's that cute skipper boy? I've never been in an ocean so warm, so blue, and so calm. All right, so now we're gonna go eat at Neptune's. Come to me, highly recommended. That is so good. We are back from the pool, or from lunch. Lunch was delicious. That chicken was amazing. It was so good. So far, favorite meal of the trip. Loved it. We're just going to relax because tonight we have a big dinner. We have a private candlelight dinner, which I'm so excited about. Okay, I'll check back in after we get back from the pool and we get showered. All right, we have just gotten ready for the candlelight dinner. Here's my fit. Eric has not seen me yet, so we're gonna film his reaction. But this is the fit.
You pretty girl.
Do you like it?
I love it. It looks great.
It's a winner. See your fit. Strike a pose. Ooh. That's it. I'm not going. You ready?
Ready to eat some good food?
Some good food, beautiful atmosphere.
Yep.
In paradise. First course, butternut squash soup. Eric got the seafood chowder. Alright, next course is the salads. I got the roasted vegetable and hummus one. And Eric got the non-traditional Caesar salad one. Main course has arrived. Garlic, boiled, shrimp, or broiled.
Yeah, boiled.
Veggies, and a filet mignon. And we've got the exact same thing. I got a gluten-free chocolate cake with some berries. And Eric got a white chocolate mango cheesecake. Alright. Candlelight dinner night is done. Tomorrow we have a romantic bamboo river raft excursion. I'm very excited for that. The first full official day of the honeymoon has been done. Day 2 coming up. Good night.
Good night.